Kravatar AI has just been released, and in this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. If you're looking for the best AI tools that are revolutionizing the digital marketing space, Kravatar AI could be a game changer for you. Stick around till the end because I'll give you my honest take on whether it's worth your time and money, and I'll also share a few tips on how to get the most out of it. You can try Kravatar AI for free using the first link in the description below. So let's dive right in. First up, Kravatar AI is all about simplifying the process of digital content creation, helping businesses streamline their workflows. Whether you're in marketing, design, or content creation, this AI tool is designed to cut down hours of work and boost productivity. The software uses advanced natural language processing to generate high-quality content, from blog posts to social media captions, and even video scripts. But what really sets it apart from other tools? It's all about ease of use. No steep learning curve. Kravatar AI is designed for people who want results fast. The second key point is its integration capabilities. This is one of Kravatar AI's strongest suits. It syncs seamlessly with other popular digital marketing tools and platforms. Whether you're using Google Analytics, social media schedulers, or email marketing tools, Kravatar AI integrates with them, making it easy to keep everything in one place. This functionality saves a ton of time and ensures your content stays consistent across multiple channels. Now, let's talk about customization. Unlike many AI tools that just generate cookie-cutter content, Kravatar AI gives you a significant level of control. You can tailor the tone, style, and format of the content to suit your brand's voice. It even allows you to input specific keywords and phrases, ensuring that SEO optimization is built into the content from the start. Whether you need something formal or conversational, Kravatar AI has you covered. Moving on to its content generation speed. One of the most impressive aspects of Kravatar AI is how quickly it produces results. You can have a full blog post or social media campaign ready in just a few minutes, which is a huge time saver for busy marketers, and it doesn't sacrifice quality for speed. The AI ensures that every piece of content generated is relevant and tailored to your target audience, whether you're focusing on local SEO or a more niche market. Another crucial feature is Kravatar AI's advanced analytics. This tool doesn't just create content, it tracks performance too. You get real-time feedback on how well your content is performing across various platforms. With this feature, you can continuously tweak your strategies for better results. It's almost like having a virtual assistant who helps you adjust your digital marketing approach on the fly. One of the most exciting aspects of Kravatar AI is its ability to generate video scripts and multimedia content. If you're running a YouTube channel or social media account, this can be a game changer. The software not only creates the script, but also provides recommendations for visuals, music, and video structure, saving you countless hours on video production. This makes it perfect for marketers who need consistent video content, but don't have the resources to produce it in-house. Lastly, Kravatar AI is extremely cost-effective, especially considering the value it brings. Most AI tools can be expensive, but Kravatar AI offers various pricing tiers, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. You can try it for free using the link below and see if it works for you before committing to a paid plan. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've learned that not all software is created equal. Kravatar AI stands out for its ease of use, speed, integration capabilities, and customization options. If you're looking for a tool that can genuinely streamline your digital marketing processes and content creation, I highly recommend giving Kravatar AI a try. And of course, make sure to check out the links in the description for other AI tools I recommend after testing so many. These tools have helped me save time and achieve better results in my own business, and I think they'll help you too. If you've used Kravatar AI or if you plan to, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience.